America kremi adwuma de na kodi 20 na otumen kadie na me
otunka pa
kama
so otu chawanka
so that a bad man so do ma me once more bi one wo mo ya big boss no all the big boss see na bia ya wo mbra wo
no credit
KMA na say ada assemblies ni betime tuakin eti say do mo ya no say o pese si big boss na wa twa na bia menhia edi afase bi ana say menhia we occasion bi mo say omso en ya Koduah no ma ko si big boss ni bebre no mo de menhia ayi no afase no ana say assembly si menhia no de abobọ so eti afase ni twem we say at a big boss no enya granding abeye leader na fe omo de advertising minia odi minia kasado kebetia issue ni kumasi issue ni sa na tie for some time now kwabani owo enkrani di ujuma until bia the issues of KMA ni on follow so much only na I would have wished say enko fret minia pan no ka say akwa wo de wo da so system ni na de we ni so ho na ansa na yetu ho na mo yes say you as KuYA no me am a liberal leader it me makwan and say the okay no me dey say he appreciate that the makwan me leader I say everything should be you or should be centered on you but I believe say this thing no send kasa statement you know how sensitive it is me kumasi be Akoma so can discuss it further but I don't think that this is a platform so we can discuss it no man. But we say the general secretary, he appreciates the effort of that is the most important thing. And what you can say, Kumasi, and the decongestion Kumasi. What you can say, you and maybe you're right. But you say, everybody bring them into the family and share, baby. Now you did bring the years. What are over the years? These are the strategic, or these are the planner. Traders, and you know, so you have a brilliant, you have a brilliant, not at the banana cover. So, what I say?
Pa Matthias here.
The baby bread and every year, after any panel, no thinking, we continue what now we in the main point. But you see, she first said, when you are any could be a solid food tree, I know what you could do brilliant. I said, maybe to make a track on the big brilliant, when we party, and I'm the yeah, and already, me feel say a wrong. Baby, okay, yeah, me no, dream, and me say, yes, for human face, but I don't think you chances on any of the video, no, and the people of Kumasi, you be Pabia, Kayaka, for some time now, no one can cry and cry in the day. My culture and some cry in the day. Onyana, Kumasi. If you said, a party, no question, we may be dear than the party like a baby. It's one we are short party, we are short KuYA. And then he said, so about 2-3 weeks, the mayor has been in Kumasi, Koha, Kacha, I think we have the evidence warning themselves. Mama, Hana, okay, Akoma. The next next week, the Bible proves a woman, a woman, what to try, and no, and I will be.
Mama who be Zuba
empty sir at the end that human face now kwa blekano let me Zuba wayebi waka round Zuba so be or very approachable. In fact, for that last week he was asking us Pablane Yokrano KuYA for no ayafo no he was asking for us when he say wa man even Yokrano fan call KuYA ne aya wa tia yi bia steering body bia see your fire west Emra. I want to cry Muslim man because of pressure and normally. And to me, let us do the stakeholders engagement. I can tell you, sir, even the traders know me the leadership are in support of the mayor.
Because my petition, petitions almost under command mayor, the phone in our Sunday, they are quite. So I should be a secret. I don't know. But the fire service one. When you say I develop a crack, I'm Meluko.
me say the way to you are KGT and so and the KGT and you tete so the see a tete a market now you concrete now you not vote or not and to vote or not no if you are wait to answer question on the two if you are KGT store if you are the table with Tiaka you yakosa from mouth mama ka say ni makwabnansere na yin na yin ti obi believe say one investigation about you e from no ni sense inside one okwabani ti KGT awa we stand from one no age 3000 mayor no an kasa ma na yidi kopa bi ama ye di no yire no mo je 3000 the evidence is before me so I say let us look at the issue holistically. Me, I'm not here say the general secretary knows the other organizer more issue statement. No, I'm not here to condemn the statement, but I'm here to say, in fact, a statement I'm from the table, so on here, only say TKD, I will say the truth. But if the Butaya Mube a statement, and then the bonus. In fact, only for Nakasa, we agree that the mayor is doing fantastic job. When now see population, when you have the see and to over Bontin. I believe so.
I understand.
People know as you know, you're very engaged the mayor. The public can of Milan, you're the Bequad. The mayor is a listening mayor, I know. The only person that makes that touch the offer Ayaniku Emiagro, enemy. Now, yes, the fire the first one. Your carbon na yama woman I come up, but the catcher, my mini papa said, the fact that you're the big way and say you're the rubber children. And you're the catcher here, the big way and Tiamat Kwan telling you. That is
I see. At this point, Major Okwan.
Yes.
Major Okwan Doc. Why? Now, Panadia now catch up to Oka in response to the chairman Akin.
On the ticket of senior brother, only banter or this. You might have different ideas on an issue, but I personally believe you should have just engaged behind the scenes, then find a proper solution to the problem at hand. And I still stand by the mayor should, instead of doing bravado, going around warning the people, you should engage and find alternatives. And for them, I told a new Jonathan, again, I agree that there are other issues to say inside the say, numbers are if you say I remember time almost I say almost time a former every amount, but we always question about when we talk about safety of the people. Everyone had a number of people for person. But it didn't have to say that any action amount for some just in our normal. Are you getting it? Now we are in Christmas. Any baby, usually the only way to educate and conform. Number amount for the need why. And alternatives are why I'm all so the better I do you. As we give about them question because it's Christmas and I will and then the fact that if you want to call Accra near Bano, doesn't say and grind it.
I'm for almost smelly politics. Almost smelly politics.
Good. There's a point where I would have about when MPP was in power, and I really did as anti-Manchester demonstration. When people are power, sometimes even and Kofa, then show me a paper and I didn't turn up for the event. Are you getting it? My movie because demonstration number. When MPP was in power, I didn't see anyone can do air politics. When MPP was in power, near a person demanded, we have an interview, demanded that. Woman interchange, or may have politics. I get them. It's the fact that in our society now, problem I want to say, and problem, let me say, baby, at the end of the day, I will prefer solutions. I will never ever write a petition and I say write something. Let me prefer solutions to the problem. if we are giving solutions to problems, mayor, you can take it, mayor. This and this, mayor, also, it's really solution.
But we are General Secretary, the ma KuYA, no? It means that and everyone behind the scene, were you able to speak to mayor? Yeah.
I would say, whenever there's an opportunity, one thing I mean here, there is no opportunity. You must say, you criticize a problem. You must offer solutions to the problem. And solutions to the problem, when they are it's made of power. You can decide or the fact. You can decide or the best thing. And say, when the day of reckoning gets to, you will see how things will be. But the truth is that
I understand you.
You should be able to handle people the way they should be handled. You don't handle people the way they family. And they do not know international data. The other thing is small. Again, come on, never say come on, it's
okay.
Come on, now you know to teach one here, cook bar, you measure. Let's a concurrency unity. It's like to take another say, and two work as the so it's not about politics, it's about the development of market. I'm not doing about the society. If somebody or that, I've written, we have any other solution. So no party can decide to go back.
Have you ever tried to say only Mayor Bekasa?
Chairman, the chairman said everything correctly to
you. Understand
the fact that we have to reach out to you now, if there is a team of 5, if 3 even agree, okay, it's good, let's do that. If we go by it, and one, we've attested to the fact that a young people is money. And Kumasi is going to contest it. 2, we attested to the basis of the but 3 and 4, we are just okay. So, I'm here. When we say, another, we are controlling because of the oil. I think
yes, I get it.
Yes, we profess solution to the problem at stake. Say, who can say, oh, handle problem now? So, me, your problem of finance, and we will do it now, but we have that one kind. It's not that
I get it.
Solutions here in one family, what do you have a ball? A day of reckoning will come.
Yes,
Mami flower there. Mami not going to write up or here. I agree with you. By the end, they're not going to contribute to be engaged. That is all what.
Okay. So can be edited. Mami,
so don't be so. Other you for me,
so.
But now coming kasa. Jaso. Saja dem adwuma mi no wa na ye recruitment gyina so na menka de meka.
Ala kwasi prempe also.
Who free so amen kasa.
Nana also with you.
Hello, General.
Or they are too
because one of them person responded to. So John, it's high time your catch me people come and you be able to do politics. My reading is statement, you know. Other markets are now all side, you know. Yeah, traders now be a petition within this time, you know. Other markets, you know. Any other that other protocol officer, my MPP. Omu regime, they know we are the boy get it for. One cancer bro. This is a raising occasion. Content a raising occasion within that period, no. You would be a man 13 years.
how would one year okay Jetiano? Saturday we will not issue statement. Yani brabre no more MPP 70 me high ujumo. Yani abrepa. It's not that me respond to one directly no. Me that.
You nana kwasi prempe yada say Akoma 87.9 FM. Yes,